Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My previous video, to be honest, man, I forgot to. I was backtesting, and I was making a recording, but I forgot to switch on my microphone. But right now, my microphone is working perfectly, and we're gonna jump right into the video. We're gonna make a quick review on the previous week on GBP USD, guys. Who don't know, my name is Nick. I'm trading the support and resistance. Simple as that. Break and retest, some sort of stuff. So the way how I like to trade is just scroll back down. Just scroll this way. And you will see we literally going to the downside. Very simple. Oh, sorry, man. Sorry, I'm not a YouTuber, so I tryna I'm forgetting all the time that I have to manage all the stuff. So basically, if you zoom out, you'll see we clearly going here into the downside. So it's very simple, guys. Let's just see, because for example, last Thursday, I was taking a short, a buy, but unfortunately it didn't work out. It missed, and I closed this on actually on break even. But anyway, so what do we see here, guys? I just want to talk a little bit just about logic behind breaks and retest. So if you see all the moves, guys, if you see, guys, all the moves, those moves, they be made by the banks or by the big boys, or you can call the way you want. But this is actually the push that a normal trader can't do. Actually, the normal trader can't do it. So what I'm anticipating, I'm anticipating to see the previous day price action, and I can at least to get a move to my next day. So that's what I did. It's a simple break and retest. Here I try on Thursday, it tried to push up. I actually, to be honest, on this trade, I was here somewhere, and I was thinking, to be honest, to close it, but then it closed like with a huge rejection, and the psychology is hard to maintain and under control, and I was like, let me just wait. And I was seeing here was like a little bit of week down, then moved up, and I'm like, nah, this stuff was gonna go, and then just keep going down, and I just moved my stop loss to break even and close me on break even. It is what it is, but we was gonna move forward. So what happened here on Friday? Smashed the downside. Look how it perfectly looks. Here I was taking buys. And obviously this is the low of Friday. So Monday, what I was expecting, I was literally expecting to push into this area, and then from here to taking shorts. Simple as that, guys. How it can be more simple. But unfortunately that wasn't the case, because this price action moved up, and then huge candles to the downside, guys. Who does that? Me? You? No. That does like some crazy people who investing a lot of money, or whatever hell they do. So if they did that and they tried to push back, and they did that one more time, then most likely this zone is not interest for them. So if they did that, that is gonna be the reason, they break this low, kind of. So it's very simple. What I was thinking here to wait on this price action. So I actually enter here. And I'm managing the position. Here is not a big RR, it's 1.19. I don't even holding like that. I'm holding literally like something like that, just to make as a zone, because it's much easier. So basically what I'm looking for, guys, is very simple, guys. My stop loss is so big, because if, for example, I'm getting a candle that closes like that, very like candle like that, for example, like this one. If I'm seeing this candle to closes something like that, I'm just gonna close the position, and here it won't be even 50% of my risk, initial risk. Yeah. So unfortunately, it didn't break through. It perfectly played out. Came here, pulled back. Basically, maybe that would be a stop loss, a break-even trade, but I got lucky. I was sleeping at that time, so I forgot to put on break even, and when I wake up, my stop loss, my take profit, it was here. So it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Played out very beautiful. Yeah, and then I was seeing this push. Yeah. So guys, think about logically. Yeah, this push. Yeah. Do you think me or you can do that? No, that's gonna be the big boys or whoever you wanna call big investors, the banks, whoever. Yeah, they made that one more time. So my point of interest is gonna be something like that. Yeah, something like that. So all I was waiting here, I was waiting here for to push into the zone, and then from here to take trades. And I'm gonna do the same stuff all over again. I'm gonna take huge, something like that. I would take it 1 to 1. For me, that's more than enough because I never would leave my stop loss to be hitting like literally. I'm gonna wait just to see if it gets here, and if is with the big weak and it shows me the rejection, I'm gonna hold it. But if just in case it's gonna show me like a closure above this and it's gonna be something like that, I'm just gonna close the position wherever it's gonna be here, here, here. So it's the kind of risk management, guys. It's very simple. Yeah, and unfortunately it didn't did yeah, so we went down. A lot of people would put it like this way, yeah, but when the pullback is it's just like consolidating this way, like it's a very small consolidation. It's not like that. You see here like push pull back, push pull back, push pull back, so it's kind of like a small uptrend. Yeah, but here it just is some noise. So usually what I'm doing with this case, I just put it like that, just in the middle to be. Yeah, so what actually happened, it came here, it came here, it came here. Yeah, I entered a trade, uh, and the thing is, because I might would close this on the small loss, but the thing is, because I was sleeping at that time again. This is the Asia time. I usual waking up like around 11 a.m. because I'm a little bit lazy, but it is what it is. And I put here my thing, yeah, and I put my stop loss here, and I was ready to lose 1% on that, if just in case. And I was thinking, and that's the baddest thing because I was seeing actually all this traffic, yeah, this one and this one, and I was like, man, those ICT videos was, you know, it doesn't make me feel like very comfortable due to the fact that everybody trades all those imbalances or inefficiencies or whatever they call it, yeah. And when obviously I managed to watch those videos, yeah, and when I'm seeing like everybody trades those imbalances, yeah, I was thinking like, man, like most likely they just will gonna hit my stop loss. But then again, you see what means the strategy, like all that all that is bullshit. Like even with the imbalances, all that is bullshit to me. Because the way how you see, yeah, they trade the imbalance, but you see, they didn't even show me the evidence that it's gonna break this zone. I was trading the resistance, they was trading, some people they was trading the imbalance. So but at the end of the day, guys, we're taking the same setup, so who cares? So yeah, and then I wake up here and then beautifully play out because so it's literally I had one, two, two, and then one break even. So basically I had two winners and one break even. It's a pretty nice. It's a pretty nice. So you can see, guys, this stuff all over again, even for here. Yeah, for example, you're seeing that. Yeah, but here you see it's kind of nonsense because from here it goes back and then goes back, but it doesn't make like crazy breaks. So if it's like that, I won't put it from here. I'm gonna just put it like that. That's what I'm doing, because here is the consolidation. Yeah, so from here it moved up, and I just gonna wait till it gets here, and then from here I'm gonna take a bounce. Same stuff all over again. Yeah, but you see, like, it's not really, it's a mess. This is a mess. I don't really like this price action. But then look what do we see here. Smash. Yeah, that it can do only the big players. So what do we see? We're doing that, and then we're getting here, and you don't even need to hold it like that. You just can take your trade, put it like that, and just put a 1 to 20 or something like that. Or if you're ICT, you can just target the imbalance, how people call it, 138. And if just in case breaks up, I'm just gonna close the position. Very simple. So that was the it for today, guys. Sorry about my previous video, but see you in the next video. Peace and love.